Good morning, everyone. My name is Nur Durra and I'm from Kids Public Speaking Bangsa. This year, I'm 8 years old. My speech today is by Malala. Malala Day is not my day. Today is Today is the day of every woman, every boy, and every girl who have raised their voice for their rights. Thousands of people have been killed by the violence, and millions have been injured. I'm just one of them. So here I stand, one girl among many. One girl among many. I speak not for myself, but for all girls and boys. I reserve my voice not so that I can shout, but so that we heard a voice can be heard. Those who have fought for their rights. We realize the importance of light when we see the darkness. We realize the importance of when we realize the importance of your view when we are silent. In the same way, we realize the importance of pens and books when we saw the guns. Remember, one shield, one teacher, one book, one pen can change the world. So be brave and stand proud for your ideas, your patience, and your belief always. Thank you.